Welcome guys, welcome to a brand new video. So this is the first unboxing video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to unbox a VR headset from IRUSU. It is actually known as the IRUSU Player VR headset or virtual reality headset. So now before I move on to the video, if you like all my efforts in making these videos as well as in providing the quality content to all of you watching my videos, then please make sure that you press the red subscribe button and grab the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. So now let's move on to the unboxing. Let's start. So now this is the box in which we have the VR headset. So now let me open it and show you what we have inside. So this is the IRUSU Player virtual reality headset, and we have some thing attached or inside this box. So this is a microfabric cloth. This is basically a type C to 3.5 millimeter 1+ jack. We will see what we have inside this later. And this is a badge, it seems. So now let's move on to the actual product. This is the IRUSU Player VR glasses. So this is the product. So IRUSU Player, it is actually quite huge. If you can actually see the size of it, it doesn't fit well in my hands, and it has two headphones attached to it and also a rubber strap so that you can put it around your head and experience the VR reality. So now let's see the instruction manual what we have inside this box. So these are the steps by which you can set it up. So first of all, on your mobile phone you have to scan basically these two codes right here. So we have two codes here. The first one is for how to use this actual product, and the second one is basically a demo video which you can see in 360-degree rotation. And this is the instruction manual. Let's see what we have inside it. So these are the warranty information and also some QR codes. You have how to set up this entire thing. You have the steps right here. So you can check this out. I will give you the link to all this stuff in the description section, and also the link to the two videos if you have bought one. Now without any further delay, let us move on to the main product itself. So this is the headset. We have some buttons out here. I will tell you what each of this has as their functionalities. So this button right here, this button is used for increasing as well as decreasing the volume, and also the button in the middle of the two buttons can be used for playing as well as pausing the video. And this is the button which will let you to go to the next video or the previous video if you are watching a playlist in YouTube by making use of this headset or glasses. These are the two lenses which you have to place in front of your eyes, and these three buttons right here are used for actually adjusting the focal length to have a better VR experience. Now before I move on to the later parts of this video, if you all are curious about how I purchased this product, then I would like to tell you that I basically didn't purchase it. Rather, I got at a very discounted price by applying some vouchers and doing some clever stuff. So if you want to know how I actually made use of all that then you can write to me in the comment section, or you can also write to me at my email address. So now without any further delay, let us start unboxing this. So this is basically a jack which is a 3.5 millimeter to C type, although we have two types of charging cables inside it. So the first one is C type and the second one is B type. So this, as you can see, is basically a C type, and this is a small one. I don't know what it's actually called. So now let's start using the VR glasses. So first of all, in order to use it, we will have to basically remove these two covers right here. Now in order to place the smartphone inside this virtual reality glasses, we'll have to open this or remove this cover. So if you can see clearly, then we have one slot for the smartphone, and also inside it I will show you. You have one port through which the audio signals will move on to the two headphones. So this is the one. So this is how it looks from inside, and this is the place where we are going to place the smartphone. So this is the phone which we are going to place inside this slot. So now let me switch on it. Now I'm going to scan the QR code which we had seen before, but I think that I don't have the app, so I will have to install it. So I didn't install the app, rather I had chosen one YouTube video which I think would be the best one to experience VR with. So this is actually the video. As you can see, this is a 360 degree VR 360 degree video. So now let me put this smartphone inside this slot and put the jack into it. So now let me just do that. So as you can see, I've placed the audio jack into it, and now I'm going to place it inside the slot. So I've placed it inside the slot. So now let us close it. And now let us wear it and see how actually the experience goes.
360-degree interactive. The second coaster is inspired by Batman, and another one by Jurassic World. And now, fasten your seatbelt and enjoy 5 different coaster experiences. It is for free and there is no queue. How great is this? Move the screen to look around or watch it on your virtual reality headset. Virtual reality is a medium with the ability to be transported to other places and to be fully immersed in experiences and to feel like you're really there.
Okay guys, so that's all from the unboxing of this amazing product, the virtual reality glasses from IRUSU. So if you like this product, then don't forget to comment down your suggestions as well as thoughts in the comment section below, and make sure that you press the subscribe button and motivate me to make more videos like this. So until I see you next time, keep exploring and have fun.